Hello everyone, and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we'll take you on a fascinating journey into the world of pineapple production and exporting. We'll explore how these delicious fruits are cultivated, harvested, and prepared to reach tables around the globe. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest information and techniques in modern agriculture, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we post a new video. Let's get started. The first step in the process of exporting pineapples is harvesting, a fascinating stage that combines modern technology with the careful work of people. Pineapple harvesting is a meticulous and well-orchestrated operation, carried out in vast fields full of lush vegetation. The machines are essential for the efficiency of large-scale harvesting. They move slowly between the rows of pineapples, with mechanical arms that carefully grasp each fruit and cut it from the stem. Meanwhile, the workers watch attentively, intervening where necessary, ensuring that each pineapple is picked at the right time, neither too early nor too late. Their experience and trained eyes are vital for selecting only the ripest and highest quality fruits. After harvesting, pineapples are sorted to be sent either to market or for canning. In packing facilities, high-quality pineapples are carefully packed to reach store shelves fresh. Those that do not meet visual standards but are still good for consumption are processed in factories. There, they are cleaned, cut, and canned in syrup or natural juice, then sterilized for safety and longevity. This efficient system ensures optimal use of each fruit, minimizing waste and maximizing benefits for producers and consumers. After harvesting, pineapples are sorted and well packaged to be sent to supermarkets. This ensures they reach consumers fresh and in perfect condition. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.